Hello everyone, this is Shanu Bhatia from Gossip Funda. Today I'm going to make a video on the topic how to root Google Pixel 3 and the latest one. Google really shook the smartphone with its own range of phones, and the Pixel 3 belonging to this category really is what you could call a high-end phone. But it is not called that merely because of its price tag. The phone puts up a splendid performance as well. It comes with 3 GB RAM with variants with 64 GB and 128 GB phone memory. Moreover, it has a pretty good battery. Next is what is rooting. Every smartphone manufacturers in the industry puts certain restrictions on all its products. These are mostly for the protection of the phone and the user. On the other hand, this also means that the user won't be able to use the method to its fullest extent. Conversely, removing the restrictions would mean that the user can do so, and this is all rooting is. It is a method that lets the user remove the restriction on his phone. Although there are some risks involved, it does unlock a new lot of features for the users. Upsides of rooting. First is custom kernel and skin. Second, new apps. Third, removing pre-installed apps. Fourth, better performance and battery life. Downsides of rooting. Warranty loss. Some apps will kick you out. Your phone might end up numb. Next is how to use Kingo Root for rooting Google Pixel 3. Things to do before rooting. Backup everything you need. Don't have specks of doubt. Rooting will surely erase all the data inside your phone. So it is necessary to make sure that you have taken the backup everything you need. The best method for backing up your files will be accessing some kind of cloud service. Next is enabling developer mode. Most of the time you have to put your device in the developer mode in order to root it, and the case is true with Kingo Root as well. Now, not only this is important, but it is also the one way to access developer options. Next is OEM unlock. The OEM unlock is one of the options that you found with the developer options, and it has to be turned on in order to perform a root. This is because OEM unlock removes the restraint on the device bootloader. Next is rooting with the help of APK file. Firstly, you are going to need the Kingo Root APK file on your phone. You can either download it from your PC and then transfer it to your phone, or just download it directly from your phone. After downloading it, use your install manager to install the app. Installing the APK will give you two options. You can either choose to open the app right then or just later on. If you are going to open it later, do it from the menu. Yet again, you will be greeted with a blue screen with the root option in the screen's center. Now you have all to be patient and wait for the process to end. After rooting completes, the app will inform you about its with a message for the same. That's it. Your Google Pixel 3 has now been rooted successfully. Last but not the least, conclusion, and that is how you root a Google Pixel with the help of Kingo Root. This video probably help you to understand the whole processes fairly easily, so you have no reason to hold back now. Just give the software and try it yourself. But if you are really don't feeling confident with these methods, feel free to check other methods as well. Every method has certain risk and success rates after all. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, subscribe and share my channel, and don't forget to write your valuable comment in the comment box. Thank you everyone.